Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Michael. This is it. It's finally time. I'm about to go a little bit lower. I finally got my shorter shocks and springs from BC Racing. We're going with a 6-inch 10 kg spring in the front. I wanted to get Swifts, but I didn't have the money this time, so it is what it is. Let me show you guys the car. I'm gonna finally close this up a little bit. I kind of want to get it to maybe up to here, but we'll see what happens. And hopefully we'll lower this a bit more down too. Alright, finally got the wheels off. This next part's gonna be the hardest because I'm weak as fuck and I know these bolts are gonna be hard to take out. Whew. So here we go. Let's give it a shot. And as you can see, my coils are already maxed out. So I'm hoping to go about an inch or two lower after this. After I replace all of this. Let's give us these. Alright, I had a little trouble on the passenger side, but I finally got both these puppies out. So when I had gotten these, I didn't get the extreme lows, so they gave me this long ass shock body. As you can see, it's coming out of the strut. And they gave me this, I think it's 8-inch spring. Hey, good morning, guys. Finally got around to switching the shocks and springs on my coils to shorter ones. This is currently it right here. It's around the same height, but I was waiting to get newer tires before I lowered everything back down. Hopefully we're going to get everything done by Toyotafest. I'm actually going to lower it down right now just to see how it looks. For those of you wondering, these are Riken mesh. They're 16 by 7 plus 20. And they're wrapped in 205 55 16s. So by looking at it, I only got an inch to lower, which is completely fine with me, even though I asked BC for something that could get me about 1.5 to 2 inches, but I don't really need that right now. This car's not really gonna go that low on 16, so this is how I had it before I switched out the shocks and springs. Alright, let's get the wheel back on. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Alright, there it is, the end result. Alright, yeah, so I was just looking at it. I definitely don't think I can run this the way it is without rolling these or adding camber, which, to be honest, I kind of don't want to do. But this looks fucking sick as hell. We'll see though. I'm about to do the rears right now. Hopefully it'll raise it up a little bit. I'm gonna go for a test drive, see how much it rubs. So I measured wrong again. It's a little bit too low in the rears right now, but it kind of evened out with the front. So I'm gonna go for a little test drive, see how it goes, see if there's any rubbing. Hopefully not, but it looks fucking dope, man. So I went for a little test drive. It rubs way too much. I could start smelling the rubber before I got onto the maiden street, so I had to turn back. I'm gonna raise it up maybe about maybe 2/3 or half an inch until I get new tires, and then I'll lower it back down. But it looks fucking good, guys. Alright guys, so I'm about to head to Andy's Tires right now. They told me they had 195 55s in stock, so I'm gonna go pick them up. Should be enough space for me to do what I want to do. It's more than enough space for me here in the rears. If we get this done by torque, I'm excited, man. What's up, guys? So I'm on my way to 714 tires for my alignment. Finally gonna get this shit straight. Hopefully we have no problems after that. We'll be ready for Toyotafest. We'll see you after that. So I'll see you guys there at Toyotafest. It's going to be June 2nd, next Saturday. If you guys see me, come say what's up. Come see the Camry. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Peace out.